Alright, when faced with a lawn like this with the leaves all over it, what I'll usually do is I'll use my Greenworks vacuum, which I showed earlier. This is the new updated one. In an earlier video, to vacuum these up and make mulch on, which is great. But today we're going to try something different. So in this case, if you saw that earlier video, you noticed that there's a bunch of leaves over here on the gravel. I actually blew them onto the lawn because what we're going to try to do is we're going to use our mulching mower to mulch the leaves in place instead of vacuuming them up or raking them or whatever. So we'll see how that works. You can see what it looks like now. Give me a survey around. You can see that this edge of the lawn is right underneath the tree. Pretty well covered with leaves, and then far away from the trees and so bad. But so we'll try vacuuming. We'll try mulching these in place and see how it turns out. If you just leave one on like this, it's going to kill the lawn because it's going to, when it rains, it's going to turn into a mat, a kind of a squishy mat, and it'll just block out the sunlight and kill off the grass underneath it. So we need to either vacuum them up, rake them away, or mulch them in place. So hopefully mulching in place will be good. That'll add a lot of organic material to the soil, and that'll improve the soil for the grass. So hopefully next spring it'll do a lot better. All right, let's get set up and see how it goes. All right, so I'm using the usual safety equipment I like to use. So safety glasses. Using power tools anytime, just wear safety glasses. And I don't usually wear a mask when I'm mowing because it's grass. Although I am kind of allergic to grass, maybe I should be wearing it. But with all these leaves, it might throw some dust, and my allergies are bad enough, so I'm going to use this N95 mask. And the mower's kind of loud, so I like to use hearing protection. Save your ears. So the usual safety equipment on these Beta Sigma videos, I always use safety equipment. see over here where the leaves weren't quite so concentrated, did a pretty good job. Over here where there was a lot heavier leaf, it didn't do it quite as well. Now, I do have it set on number 4, the 4th position, because I normally like to keep the grass a little bit long to keep the weeds down, and also it's healthier for the grass, and also less chance of hitting a sprinkler head. But now that I've got the perimeter done, I'm trying lowering it to 2, and just go over the middle where the leaves are and see if it mulches it better. Oh, I should mention that I had already mowed this lawn about 4 or 5 days ago before the leaves started dropping, most of them anyway. So maybe I guess it was a week ago. So the grass was already down. It wasn't really long and bushy. So that could have changed the dynamics quite a bit. But we'll try putting it on 2. There shouldn't be any danger in the middle of the lawn. I'm putting a sprinkler head, and we'll see if it mulches better. Well, I forgot to push the record button, so sorry about that. Anyway, about halfway through, this side was done with on 2, and then I said, well, it's kind of hitting the lawn pretty hard, so I switched it to 3. I think 3 is fine. Once it starts raining, this fine mesh will, the fine mulch will go down inside. So I'm happy how this turned out, and 2 is probably okay if your lawn is super flat. 3 might be better if not. So it's mulching in place. So I think it's a success. I'll probably keep doing it and save some time with vacuuming. If I don't need the mulch somewhere else, which on the lawn is a good place for in the wintertime. There's a few more leaves to come down. Another good windstorm, and the rest of these will come down, and then we'll be done for the season. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Post a comment if you have any questions or ideas, and I'll try to respond. That's all for now, but more videos are coming, and if you want to see them, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification icon if you don't want to miss one. This is STScI signing out, and keep looking up.